Oh, I just had the worst nightmare ever.
Guess what?
What?
It's our birthdays.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh. Wow, look, it's kind of snowy out here. But it's melting. Oh, really wish I could stay out.
Come on.
Wait for me.
Okay.
Oh, here we go.
I know where everybody is.
I wonder where everybody is. Oh, I can hear the TV. Oh my gosh. Happy birthday, Green Yoshi, Donald, and Ladybird. Oh, thank you very much, guys. Oh, two new birds.
Let's open this one first.
Oh, two new birds here. What's in this one? What's in this one? Wonder what's in this one.
Wow. They sing fun as Luigi.
I don't understand. Why do we get the same toy?
I don't know.
I really don't understand why that happens. But anyways, that's cool. Ugh. Wonder what's in this one. What's in this one?
What's in this one?
What's in this one? Whoa!
3 toys.
I don't understand. Why do we get Thomas over and over again?
Wow.
I don't understand. Why do we keep on getting Thomas all over again? Ooh, this one's metally. Ooh, this one looks like a chocolate bar to me. Hope it's a chocolate bar. Ugh.
I can. I don't understand why I keep on getting phones.
Whoa.
Over.
Whoa, a new phone. Thank you, guys. What's in this one? What's in this one? Ugh. Wow. A Wii remote. Let me open this one out. Cool, a Wii remote. What does the A do? It already has battery, dude? It already has batteries in it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I want to
What's in this? I wonder what's in this one. Wow, DVDs. I wonder those ones.
Those are Mickey Mouse.
Oh, great.
Looks like there's 4 toys.
I'm not joking, Mickey Mouse sucks. I can find upload it. Oh my god!
A new iPad. A new iPad.
Oh my god! Thank you so much! Serious, Mickey Mouse sucks.
What's up with this one?
I'm not allowed to listen it. Whoa!
A new movies.
Oh my gosh, we keep on getting the same one. We keep on getting the same one of these. And well, there's plates. I always wanted this movie, guys.
And Turbo Turbo.
There's Turbo also. Thank you guys. I really like planes the best.
Gosh. And this thing.
Wii Sports. Woo! This is a blast, guys. Really like this movie the best. It's because it was containing about Dusty, Ripslinger, Bravo, Echo, Skipper, Dottie, Shrug, and Sparky.
Oh, we happen to open this one.
Wow, another DVD? I wonder what they are. I wonder what they are. No! No! Not more. No more Mickey Mouse. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we keep on getting the same one of these. I don't I don't understand. Why do we keep on getting the same one of these? See, there's a pig right there. There's a pig right there. You see it? Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Wait, we got the same toy as Luigi. Oh my gosh. And Clara at the birthday party. Woo. Oh, this one is heavy. I wonder what this is.
It's a
Laptop. Why do I keep on wrapping up the same things that we got? Why do we keep on wrapping up the things that we already have? Oh my gosh, this is a blast! This is a blast! Oh, what's in this?
Don't open fast.
I know, but what's in this?
I don't know.
What's in this thing? Nothing! There's nothing in there. What a total person giving me a wee something that doesn't have anything in it. Why you open this one? I'm gonna open this one.
Oh my gosh, this is Yoshi's lucky day.
Yeah. See you in part 2.